Hi, I have got my unboxing video of Kelix Screen, and I opened it, I want to tell you the story, what happened. So, the story, what happened is, it was this morning, I forgot to say. I was waking up, I was wondering what glasses I was going to get. Like ordered loads, got spray paint, paint markers, acrylic paint, paintbrushes, everything. But I forgot about my screen because I got like 1 month ago, so I obviously forgot about it. So I'm very excited with spray paint. I really love spray paint but I'm not really a fan of screens, so I forgot about that. This is my personal screen, so I personalized it on the computer. So I opened it and my screen, you can see it's very shiny. So yeah, this is not the baby screen, it's the adult screen. It's very big. Put my name, not my name, but my second name. It has the Kelix sign and everything, so good thing. We actually polish it this morning. So I have my other t-shirt. So this is the like touchy and everything. Good. Polish it. So polish it like really more shiny. You could see how shiny it is. Or shiny before, but I just touched the wood, so it's clean, shiny. Now if I touch it, it's all blurry. So yeah, just you could see yourself. Yeah, see, I'm recording from a laptop. The webcam, and see the screen. This is the screen. Just look at the screen. Look at the screen. And so, thank you for looking at my unboxing. I have a little breakfast, so yeah, definitely eat breakfast with the screen. You guys haven't made a video, so I hope you enjoyed, and peace. Comments.